Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajeshri and today I'm going to review the best selling product from Eclat range. This is their fade out serum. I got like tons and tons of requests to review this one, so I bought it with my own money. This was not sent by the brand. This is not a PR collaboration or this is not any kind of collaboration. I just bought this with my own money and all my opinions and all my thoughts on this are going to be 100% genuine, and obviously the review is going to be according to my personal experience with this product. So yeah, without further delay, let's get into the video. Let's start off with the review. I have been using this from the past one and a half month, and the main reason why I got this serum is because of the ingredients list. The main ingredient in here is azelaic acid. Basically the hero ingredient in here is azelaic acid. The serum got 10% of azelaic acid in it, and I was in a search for a serum which got azelaic acid in it in India market. I obviously tried azelaic acid products before, but the one I used is from the Ordinary, and Ordinary is so tough to get in India, so that's why I was looking for an alternative. Then I found this serum and everyone was raving about it, and I was little skeptical before getting it. I was like, is it too hyped or is everyone getting too excited about this serum? This is basically an azelaic acid based serum. Why is everyone getting so high about it? But after looking into the ingredients list, I realized that it got so many good ingredients in here. It got azelaic acid in it, it got niacinamide 5%, and it also got other ingredients like tranexamic acid, licorice root extract, etc., which are very good in treating hyperpigmentation, acne marks, acne scars, etc. So this is basically azelaic acid and niacinamide heroine serum. You can say it like that. You get two benefits out of one serum. You're getting the benefit of azelaic acid and niacinamide at the same time. And if you don't know, niacinamide is also a very good ingredient. It's a very stable antioxidant. It's a good ingredient for your skin barrier, and here I'm all about skin barrier repair. So I was so excited when I looked into the ingredients list, and I was so surprised that this serum was formulated in a very well manner. So that's about the ingredients list. Now let's talk a little bit about the benefits of this serum, because it got a bunch of good ingredients like azelaic acid, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, licorice root extract, etc. This is a very good ingredient based serum. I guess this serum can be used for most of the skin issues we might have, like hyperpigmentation, acne marks, skin barrier strengthening, skin sensitivity, skin redness, etc. These are some of the few skin problems we face in day-to-day life, and I feel this is a very versatile serum because this is going to work on so many problems. So I was so impressed with the ingredients list, and after I got it, I used it for like 2 weeks straight, like every single day, and I'm able to see that my redness got better. I generally have so much of redness on my cheeks and around my nose, and that's why I include azelaic acid into my routine. And this serum definitely helped with my redness and also with my skin sensitivity issue. I generally have sensitive skin around my cheek area, and that's the place where I get most of my acne, and it definitely helped me with the skin sensitivity issue too. If you have like hyperpigmentation, or if you have like just like me, if you have redness issues, you can just use it as a spot treatment too. If you have some sort of hyperpigmentation over here, you can just apply this serum over here and you're good to go. You don't need to apply it all over the face. But I have multiple marks and multiple acne marks, acne scars all over my face, so that's why I used it all over. But you don't need to do that. You can use it only on the problematic areas. So I really like it for that purpose too, because this got skin loving ingredients like mainly niacinamide. Niacinamide is best if you have sensitive skin, because vitamin C is also an antioxidant, but vitamin C is very unstable, and many people can be sensitive to vitamin C. So if you are sensitive to vitamin C, niacinamide is a very good alternative for you, and this azelaic acid and niacinamide based serum can be very helpful if you have sensitive skin. The point which I want to include in here after talking all the pros about it is it definitely got artificial fragrance in here, but it's very mild. It's almost negligible. After you apply it on your face, it just vanishes. You can't smell it anymore. It's that light. But if you have an issue with fragrance in your skincare, or if you don't like to have fragrance in your skincare or in your serums, this is a no for you, because this is definitely a serum which got perfume or fragrance in here. But this never gave me any kind of problem, because the percentage of fragrance in here is very low. It's almost negligible to a point, and after you apply it on your face, it just vanishes. You can't smell it anymore. So that's why I don't have any problem with it. But yeah, it's up to you whether to get it or not, because it got fragrance. And I heard that Eclat is going to come up with their unscented versions in June 2021 or July. I'm not sure, but there is speculation going on that they are going to come up with unscented version too. So my final thought about this serum is it definitely helps with skin sensitivity, skin pigmentation issues, acne marks. It definitely helps with that, but you have to be very patient, because azelaic acid is a very safe ingredient and it's not too potent like glycolic acid or lactic acid. It's a very mild ingredient and it works in a very slow rate. So you have to be very patient. You have to wait until like 4 to 5 weeks to see significant changes in your skin. Please don't get so frustrated after using it for 2 to 3 days. You will be like, oh my god, I'm not seeing any kind of changes in my skin. That's not how skincare works. So you have to be very patient with it. So I use this serum in my morning skincare routine in the place of vitamin C serum. I replaced my vitamin C serum with this one, and I'm using it in the place of vitamin C. But I prefer you to use it in your nighttime routine. But I use salicylic acid based product in my nighttime routine, and you should never mix azelaic acid, niacinamide and salicylic acid in one routine. It can be too much for your skin. So that's why I use it in my morning routine, but I prefer you to use it in your nighttime skincare routine. But if you want to use it in your morning skincare routine, please try to load up as much of sunscreen as possible. I generally load up so much of sunscreen, so I don't have any problem with using it in my morning skincare routine too. But yeah, it's up to you. You can use it in your morning skincare routine or you can use it in your night skincare routine, but I prefer you to use it in your night skincare routine. Now let's talk a little bit about consistency. This got a emulsion kind of consistency. If you're familiar with their vitamin C serum, the consistency is little bit better, like little bit thinner than the vitamin C serum. That vitamin C serum from Eclat can be a little heavy for people who have very oily to oily skin type, but this one will suit all skin types. It's very light, it absorbs very quickly, it doesn't leave any greasy or oily film on the skin, so it's suitable for all skin type. No matter what skin type you have, this will definitely work for you. I don't have a problem with fragrance if it's in very low percentage. If you have fragrance in like 5th or 6th ingredient, I'm like pissed off. But if the fragrance is very mild to a point, it's negligible, I don't have a problem with it. But yeah, if you have sensitive skin, like extremely sensitive skin, and if you have skin which cannot tolerate any kind of fragrance, please keep that in your mind. This got fragrance in here. So yeah, that is that about the product. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of queries, you can freely comment in the comment section. And if you feel the price is little steep, or if you want a little bit of discount on any Eclat products, you can use my code TBB20 to get flat 20% off on it. So yeah guys, see you in my next video. Until then, bye.